Make sure it's turning. Yeah. Oh, maybe. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh man, that is epic. Oh, boo, that is epic. Oh, I. That is destruction of public property, by the way. Well, the Papa's house. I'm the Game Papa, and we are back with more Zone of the Enders, the second runner, Mars. Now, when we last left off, when we last left off, I got it with a tongue twister. When we last left off, we finally managed to back to the surface of Mars. We got an epic fight with Vic Viper, a legend, and we finally entered into civilized territory, which is where the start of my least favorite part. The second least favorite part of the game is where you have to escort an entire city. If you're willing to believe that. Yeah, oh yeah, Vasilia spiders. Yay! I have to combat. I have to fight. Yes, I know. I have to fight on top of an entire gauntlet. No, geyser deals no damage, but that's precisely what I need. Yeah. I have to fight on top of an entire city without destroying anything. Hopefully. And that is no buena.
Let's eliminate every enemy.
Yeah. Eliminating. Hiya! Hiya! I know! Hiya! No! Hey!
Reinforcements are confirmed.
Oh, yeah. Stop firing! Hey, oh, whoa! Wrong target. Okay, yeah. That's the one that I gotta. Okay. Ooh. Whoa. Alright.
Damage to neighboring areas from this battle increasing.
Oh God!
Be careful.
I know. Shut up. I know. Or do I know? Do I really know?
Over 50% of buildings are destroyed.
What?
Civilian building A destroyed.
What?
Many civilians are getting killed.
What? Okay, that mission was a bunk. Alright. That mission was a bunk. Yeah.
Just using geyser.
Yes, I know. Shut up.
Enemy reinforcements are confirmed.
Hiya! I hate this. I really hate this. Really hate this. Stop! Whoa! No! Okay, where? Oh! No! Hey! Hiya! Die! Hiya! Oh no! Oh, hey! No, die! Wow! No! Don't destroy it! No! Shut up and die! Shut up and die! Good. Wow! No! Nobody is touching that building. No. Hi. Hiya! Nobody's touching that. Nobody's touching any building. Nobody. No! Stop! Hiya!
Reinforcements confirmed.
No more! Why? Stop! Where? Oh no! Whoa! Hiya! Ooh, die! And oh no! Where? Hiya! Die! Hiya! No! I'm panicking! I'm super panicking! Die, please! Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah! No! Yeah! No! No, 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 no! You're not going anywhere, buddy. No! Hey, where? Where? Oh! Die! No! Die! No! Hey! Whoa! Too many!
Damage to civilian.
Ah, dang!
Increasing.
Stop!
Station building destroyed.
Oh God!
More.
Come on!
One more.
Oh, I see it! Die!
All the enemies are destroyed.
Is that it?
Mission completed.
I could have saved more of them.
Doy!
That situation, this is a realistic figure.
Stop it. I could have saved all their lives.
But if it weren't for you, there would have been more destruction.
Are you trying to ease my mind?
Are you really? Because I really need some easing right now. I really do.
What are you doing? Don't butt in our battle.
Oh, shut up.
Does the Space Force call massacring innocent civilians battle?
I don't care about Vasilia's people. They're nothing.
Oh.
No matter whether they're civilians or not, it's still the same.
Oh!
Shut up!
Excuse.
Say anything more, I'm gonna kill you, you wretch.
What?
Go away.
Bye.
Ada,
Bye, bitch.
please
Bye.
put me through to Leo.
All right, I will put you through to Leo Stenbuck.
Hey, Leo.
Dingo, what's wrong?
The
How's
idiots.
your search for the Levs been going?
I've already saved several people, but they all say they would attack Alman.
They were ordered to, weren't they?
But it's impossible for Levs to attack Baram.
Let them do as they like.
You're heartless, aren't you?
Well,
They're your ally.
Is the Space Force my ally? Don't kid me.
What?
Hey, I found a few Lev units in the civilian residential area near the south gate. If you still think they're your team, you can pick them up.
All right.
yeah.
Ada, put me through to Taper.
All right, I will put you through.
Uh-huh. Hi.
How's everything going?
I did my best. Have you already met Eight Heads?
Yeah. I've confirmed the vector cannon too, but things are worse.
What's wrong?
Again.
Location might have been discovered by Baram.
Yep.
What? Where is it?
This is an energy facility along Ayers Cliff. It seems to be supplying power for Alman.
Wait, the enemy is approaching.
One enemy is approaching, actually. Oh. And this is gonna be a habit.
What?
Oh dear. Oh, this is fun. Oh yeah, it's a train sequence, and this is a sequence that I really love out of the whole thing. It's claustrophobic, it's explosive, it's awesome, and it's high speed. It's great.
Ada, where is the train going?
It is going via Ayers Cliff along the sea.
Hey,
They're attacking all the way.
indeed
Hey,
they are.
Taper, the train carrying the orbital frame is going towards you.
What's that?
I'll destroy it before it gets there.
Is that right?
After all, it's just on the way.
Yep.
Ada, give me the estimated time of the train's arrival.
Roger.
Cool. I'd better no phalanx gauntlet. No, yeah. Oh, hey, Metatron.
Obtained Metatron.
Thank you. Is there any more? I'm pretty sure there's more. Pretty sure there's a couple more meta somewhere around here. That can't be the only one, is it? That cannot be the only one. Could it? Really? Ah, dang. Alright, fine. Alright. Oh, this is super cool! I'm psyching up like a fanboy for good reason. Take a look. Ooh. Oh man, when this sequence started, back when I was a snotty-nosed teen,
We
this
got the enemy transport train.
I didn't know what to expect.
Destroyed it from the rear and worked my way to the front.
Indeed, I would.
I will make vernier control semi-automatic.
With vernier control semi-automatic means everything is high speed, and that is okay in my book.
We've got 10 minutes.
Hiya! Oh, hey! Hiya! Die! Bye, die. Bye, die. Bye, die. Bye, die. Bye, die. Bye, die, bye, die, bye, die, bye, die. Oh. Oh. Hiya! 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 Die, please! Die, please! Ah, man! Okay. What exactly did I do last time? Okay. Oh, yeah. This is what I do. There we go. Boom, boom, beam, boom, beam, boom, beam, boom. Hiya! Oh, you're gone, baby. You're gone. Boom. Hiya!
Cyclops destroyed.
Now, and it might seem like, I am taking my sweet time here. Because I am. Ooh. It might seem like, 8 minutes is a bit of a stretch. But it's actually not. Whoa. Okay. Oh. It's this one. Ooh. Ooh. Lasers. They're shooting their lasers at me. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, man. I'm not doing as hot as I was a couple of years back. I gotta do better. Doing better. Shooting my own lasers. Lasers. There you go. Hiya. Boom, boom, beam, boom, beam, boom. Wow. Whoa. Aha, yes. Only 3 more carriages left. Hiya. I don't have to destroy them. I just have to unbalance them. There you go. Yeah. So it's ooh. Although the downside of that strategy is that I lose out on a lot of experience points. Wow. But it is valid, when if you're kind of short on time, like what what problem I'm having right now. Ooh. Wow. Oh, okay, man. Man, you need to chill. And by chill, I mean die. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you think you can punk me? I punk you first. Hiya. Ooh. I love the claustrophobic nature. It just kind of enhanced the action.
Destroyed.
Yes, enemy destroyed. Hi. Can you please die, please? Yeah.
Cyclops destroyed.
Ooh, this is tense. I love it so very much. Bye. No? Okay, bye. Bye, really. Bye for real. Bye for... Wee! Hey. Ah, wow. Okay. Ooh. Ow, come on. I want to concentrate on firing the thing, but those mini projectile shooters are kind of getting in the way. Alright, there you go. I already fired one. Ooh. Oh. I had to bring out the whole army. I think they're angry at me. They're angry. He's angry. Whoa. Kind of like what Steve, what's his name? Irwin, yeah. Kind of like what Steve Irwin loves to say. He's angry. Ooh. Come on, die. Die, please. Wow. Whoa. Dude, what was that?
There's only the front carriage left.
Okay, well in that case I'll destroy it like this. Make sure it's turning... Yeah! Oh, maybe. Oh, look at that! Oh. Oh man, that is epic. Oh boo, that is epic. Oh, wow. That is a section of public property, by the way. But it's an evil military property, actually, so everything's cool. Okay, everybody, your train will be delayed. Office is closed, because I had to be a hero. Oh man, that sequence is just fantastic. I love it.
We obtained the sub-weapon
Decoy.
It produces a copy of Jehuti and confuses the enemy's radar.
Taper, I've already stopped the train.
Dingo,
It's you.
Yep.
I've just arrived on Mars.
Do you?
You know, they know where the Lev team and the Vector Cannon are.
I know. I'm coming near it too.
I'll catch you soon.
Noman will find you.
It's all right.
Really?
Now he's crazy about activating Almon.
When I was in Noman's unit, one of the team was a spy from the Space Force.
Huh?
For some months, no one in the unit suspected him. Not even me.
And then,
But only Noman suspected. I don't know why.
what happened to this guy?
No idea. Next day, I saw his left hand in the garbage.
Oh,
Did
scary.
it come off when they shook hands?
Acting tough.
You are joking, aren't you? It's not funny, though.
No.
No. That's how ruthless
Nothing
Noman
happened
is.
to you while working alongside Noman. I can't believe that you're a real spy from the Space Force.
So?
Tell me the truth. What are you?
Yeah.
You don't trust me, do you?
No.
Are you surprised?
Let me tell you something. You concealed yourself after the final mission. What were you doing after that?
Yeah.
It's none of your business.
If you wished, you could have returned to Bahram.
Stop it.
You made up your mind to hide out in Callisto, and you left your comrades to their fate.
Whoa.
Isn't that right?
Whoa.
Shut up!
Do you think I can trust
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
such a
whoa.
man?
Ken.
You're just another.
Ken.
Even
Enough.
so, I still trust you.
Huh?
Even now, I hear rumors about you. When you were in Bahram, you were not only an excellent runner, but also popular with your pals. They said that only you could match Noman, so I revived you.
And tried to use me.
Well.
If you had returned to Bahram and stopped Noman, things would have been different.
Easy to say.
I'm also trying to...
You always depend on others to make it, don't you?
I came to Mars, didn't I?
It's
Oh.
Taper. I'll hang up.
Yep.
Henry G, did you make it?
I already stopped the train. And you?
I'm Ellie Caton, a platoon sub-leader of the Eight Heads. I thank you for your support.
Yeah. Any casualties?
Nothing serious, but everyone is exhausted. We need your help.
Don't let them move. Space Force, they're all the same.
Uh-huh.
Hey, Taper!
You came much closer than I expected, didn't you? Orbital frames are fast indeed.
Huh?
Something's approaching. Is that you?
No, I'm still...
What the hell?
Take position! Pull back! Pull back!
Taper, what's going on?
Such speed.
Oh, God!
We know who it is. Oh, we know who it is. We know very well who it is. Okay. Alright, a little bit of riff in the partnerships, is there? And something is going on here between, between Ken and Dingo. It's like Ken is hiding secrets, and Dingo is hiding secrets from Ken, and Ken is hiding secrets from Dingo. And these two are expected to be partners? Well then, that is not gonna happen, Missio. Decoy. Decoy.
Decoy release.
Yep, there you go. This will be the second most useful.
Obtained Metatron.
Yep, this will be the second most useful sub weapon. But I'm still phalanx. I rarely use phalanx. I'll just be honest. I'll rarely use phalanx, but it's just a machine gun. It's a spray and pray kind of deal. So Geyser seems a little bit more useful. Damn it. All right, fine. I'll just use Geyser for now. No. I'm going to replace phalanx with decoy. There you go. Yeah. Wow. Dude, why can't I? Alright, fine. Whatever you want me to do. Hey. Hi. Ooh. Nice one.
No sign of the enemy.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, the Space Force got their butt handed to them on a silver platter. And I believe we know only one person who can do that, if you can call her a person.
We lost all LEV units.
Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Haven't you seen every horror movie ever? Those things are gonna move. Yep.
You are late, Jeopardy.
You did it, you stupid wind-up doll.
I've already recovered the vector cannon, and you are next. Are you ready?
I don't know. Am I? Am I really ready?
Don't let a slot grab you. You can get out of a grabbing attack at the very moment of getting...
Oh! You think you can get a good one on top of me, do you? Hiya! Yes, you are. Hiya! Ha 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 ha! Hiya! Hiya! Isn't that hilarious? Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, you think you can get a handle on me, do you? Oh, no, no, no. You cannot get a handle on me. Get off me! You're not supposed to grab me. Isn't this hilarious? Isn't that hilarious, Viola? Oh, ha 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 ha! Uh oh, hey, hey, let go, let go. I'm the one who's supposed to grab you. Uh oh, uh oh. Where? Come on! Hiya! Die! Yeah, that's the tactic that you use for the first phase of Viola fight. You grab an enemy and make her slam into it. Ooh, ouch. Ooh. Eee. You're not looking so hot.
We obtained the sub-weapon Vector Cannon.
What?
It can radiate awesome energy and shoot through
Ah.
space.
Oh,
It
yes.
takes a while to charge up and uses up a lot of the sub-gauge. And you can only shoot it when Jehuti's legs are firmly on the ground. Be careful.
Ah, but it's not usable.
Excellent. The battle level indicated that it was too early for Jehuti to match Nephthys.
Yep.
I don't feel so good. Viola was one of my teammates.
The enemy was a battle AI.
Oh, still.
Yeah, but I'm human.
Yeah.
Viola was a comrade.
Yeah.
She was sometimes rash, but she was still an excellent runner.
Oh,
Brad? Hey, what did you say?
oh shit!
Taper.
Were you on Ballroom's side?
Not
Uh-huh.
now, I'm not.
Not now. What? That means you used to be with Ballroom, but now you're fighting for the Space Force?
So what?
You're lying. You're still with Ballroom.
Have you forgotten I saved you on Deimos?
I think it's an amazing effort, you know. I think it's an amazing effort that Taper can make the robot shake.
How can I trust you?
Well, now you come.
So it was Nephthys.
Is that also your pal?
Huh?
I can't understand anything anymore.
Taper, calm down.
Yeah, Taper. Oh dear. Okay.
What's wrong?
Yeah. Yes. I also didn't understand the point of this fight when I started the game initially, but then I do now. Oh, hey, oh, hey, 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 hey. Hi.
What the hell are you doing?
There she is.
Viola?
Dingo, the controls won't work.
What?
The AI has taken possession. What should I do now? Dingo!
Shut up! Just shut up! Ada, I'm stopping that frame.
Control of the target appears to be in the hands of a standalone battle AI. You have no choice but to delete the AI. While grabbing the target's body, I can perform the delete function.
I see. I'll try grabbing it.
Dingo, what should I...
Shut up!
I'll indicate the deletion on the monitor.
I'll grab the body and leave deleting the AI to you.
Oh yes.
Roger.
Viola, this is the final one.
Yes, indeed. Okay.
I'm coming.
Are you? Are you really now?
After crossing swords, please try to repel the target. Immediately afterwards, the target will be momentarily unguarded. That's when to grab.
I'll try to cross swords to avoid damaging the body. Is that right?
When the target stops momentarily, please grab its body. I'll set about deleting.
This, believe it or not, is not the number one part that I really hate from the game. Uh-oh. Yeah, I know. Shut up. Grabbing. Yep. Because I don't understand the fight, you know, in the beginning. You know, I accidentally kind of. Ooh, okay.
Hurry!
Oh. Oh dear. Oh. Grab! Yeah, I didn't understand that I'm supposed to do that, so I accidentally executed Ken. You know, when I first played this game, it's just, it's so stupid, but it's so typical, Papa. E. Alright, come on. Uh-oh, oh yeah, like that. Uh-oh. Cornering. Alright. I am helping you. Shut up. Ooh. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, come on, man! Oh. I just need a little bit more. Gotcha! Grab! Clear. Okay. Uh-oh. Yeah, you're not touching me, lady.
I can't stop it!
Yeah, no joy. Gotcha! Bye, Viola. Yep.
Target Bravo.
Yeah.
Secure or destroy.
This is not Viola.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Yeah.
I'll kill you.
Will you?
Vengeful ghost. Damn.
Yeah. In the way that, you know, Dingo painted Viola is like, you know, she's a tragic heroine.
Mission is complete.
It's only a program. All it can do is carry out its orders.
That's right. Programs cannot override orders.
How miserable.
Yes, they are. Okay.
Ken, it's gonna get real hot here. Let's get out now.
Hey, I've never piloted without an AI.
What are you doing?
Are you serious?
Have all you rookie runners forgotten how to pilot yourselves?
Just help me.
Shame on you. Yet you're always bragging to me.
Dingo!
Just say you're sorry. Tell me you're sorry for having to depend on me.
No way!
Then do it yourself.
Hey, no time for jokes. This is my least favorite part.
Hey, Ken!
Or this is, I think this is number 3 in my least favorite, right? Or number 2A, or maybe number 1. I don't know. Another escort mission. Can you believe that nonsense?
Ken, where are you? Ken!
Dingo, I'm here!
Yeah.
You use weird things.
Yes, they do.
Take it.
Ah.
We have obtained the device
The Wisp.
for the sub-weapon Wisp.
If I'm falling, catch me with this. You can also pull a distant enemy closer to you.
Oh, yes. Yes, and there will be tons of them. Tons of them.
I'll grab you and take you to the top. Let's go.
Grab our jet and carry it
No. Wisp. Yes.
to the top of the installation. To grab, press the B button.
And I have to fight while protecting our jet. That's not fun. Not fun at all. Come on, let's go.
Reinforcements are confirmed. Eliminate the enemy orbital frame.
Alright, fine. Ooh. Okay.
Dingo, help me!
I know, shut up.
Do it quickly!
Ah, man. Aye. Yeah, no, you won't. You're making big drama out of it, lady. I'm just gonna, ah, man. Okay, I'll drop you off here. Hey, don't touch her. Shut up. I'm trying. I know. Ah. Shut up. I'm trying, lady. Hey! Don't touch her! Come on, come on. I know, you're welcome. It's supposed to be heroic music too. Oh. Yeah, you stay there. I'll take care of this. Hiya! I am trying, you know that? Hiya!
Go and collect it first.
Hiya! Die. No, you're not. Come on.
I was about to die.
No, you weren't. Stop being such a drama queen, Ken. Hey! Don't touch her. Oh, dang! Oh, sorry. I accidentally shot Ken. This homing device, man. I know. I am doing as fast as I can. Oh. Ah!
Go and collect it first.
Oh. Quiet, Ken. I can't concentrate. Now you're screaming in my ear. No, you're not. Where's our jet? Uh-oh, shit. Ooh, I said a bad word. Oh no! Oh no! Our jet! Nah, dang! See? Now you see why I hate this stage.
Top of the installation. To grab, press the B button.
Hate this. Okay.
Dingo, help me!
You're fine.
Enemy Reinforcements are confirmed. Eliminate the enemy orbital frame first.
Come on!
I'm falling!
Go and collect it first.
Ah, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this. Yeah. Hate this, hate this, hate this. Hate this, hate this, hate this. So very much. Hate this. Oh.
Help me!
Hey!
Ouch! What are you doing?
Whoa! Okay. There should be a couple more platforms up there where I can secure Ken. I'll just put her here. Yeah. Wow, no, Ken! Dang it. See, I hate this. Uh-oh.
You're late.
I know, shut up, lady! I'm trying to help you. Here, stay there.
Dingo, help me!
Dang. Ah. Is Ken still there? I can't tell anymore.
Please, help me!
I know! Shut up! Gimme here! Die! Oh, Arjet's still here, so... Ah, man! I should just leave her here and deal with the enemies. Hiya! Yeah! Die! Kaboom! Thank you! Thank you for the Metatron. I know! Ah, man, really? Ah, dang! You're the one who pushed her over the edge. Ah. Yeah, I know. Zip it. Shut up! I'm trying to save you. I'm doing the best I can, okay? Yes. Oh. Oh. Alright, Ken? I'm gonna drop you off on that platform, okay? You yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, I'm safe. Dang! That sucks! I hate it! What you gotta say for yourself, lady?
Hey, here we are.
Yeah.
Indeed, I can't believe that you've managed to survive till now.
I know.
Well, it's just normal. Wait, I got a communication.
What a troublemaker.
Yeah, she is.
Match for you.
Stop joking.
Sorry, but I have not been programmed to joke.
You really are a funny computer, aren't you?
Funny.
You and that kid Leo are far more of a perfect match.
Yes, they are.
Don't make fun of me.
Yeah.
They've activated Almon. Let's hurry.
Wait, I have to go someplace else first.
What?
We have no means to resist Anubis' trickery. Anubis is far too speedy. Just a moment, I need a function to resist that.
But
I'll ask Lloyd for his cooperation.
Lloyd.
Systems engineer for orbital frames. When I was a trainee, he took good care of me.
Yep.
Lloyd? He's an odd fellow.
But his skills are supreme.
Indeed.
Exactly. It was Lloyd who analyzed the battle strength of Anubis, but
It's good for us then. Let's ask him to boost Jehuti's programming. You know the place?
Ayers Cliff has a lab on the top. He's there, but you can be sure it's heavily protected. I'll guide you.
Okay, get in now.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Now.
Oh, he's nearing his limits. Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Huh?
I'm sorry.
Awkward.
Marineris?
Yes. The northern part, Tharsis. It's far from the canyon.
Did you volunteer for this duty?
My father was also a soldier.
Tharsis. So you were at the Olympus base?
Yeah. Hey, why were you in Bahram?
Some slogan fooled me into doing it.
For the freedom and independence of Mars?
Yep.
It must have been a joke. The reality was just destruction and dictatorship. I often wondered about Noman's orders, though. But I couldn't get out of it until that crisis happened.
You mean your final mission?
The final mission
To
is...
take the Metatron to a lab on Jupiter, and we were an escort for them.
That's right.
And then?
We escorted the Metatron to Antilia.
Antilia colony.
After completing the mission, we were heading back to the camp on Callisto. On the way, we encountered an enormous number of the Space Force. There were so many, they covered the horizon. They ambushed us. In those days, the orbital frame was still in the experimental stage. They were on the latest Earth-built model. We were on Levs. There was an incredible performance difference between them and us. I asked for immediate reinforcements, but can you imagine how Noman answered me? Just give up, he said. He was smiling at the time. That was the very same Noman who leaked our situation to Earth. He let them ambush us. He killed my pals.
He sold out his own unit?
Why indeed.
Sacrifice.
Yep.
Noman had already taken the Metatron without Earth's permission, so he needed to pretend that the mission had failed. My company had been abandoned. I threw myself wholeheartedly into the battle in order to encourage my pals. I told them reinforcements would arrive soon. When I came to, I realized the Space Force had already gone back. Every single one of my pals was completely destroyed. Some civilian workers in Callisto were killed too. I made up my mind not to return to Bahram again. Ever.
Indeed.
Didn't you want to avenge the deaths of your pals?
What could I have done?
You could have returned to Bahram and risen in revolt.
Oh yeah, and
If
get
you
shot.
did, everyone would have been on your side.
Not
Noman
smart.
had been trying to kill me. If I did go back, he would kill me.
Yeah, with good reason.
That's what happened.
That did what happened.
You saw it, didn't you?
Yes.
Even knowing Bahram was wrong, you still agreed to work for Noman?
Well,
Use power for the right things. At least for the things that you believe in.
So who's secondhand?
Huh?
It's not easy, is it?
But I'm...
Forget it. Let's talk about it after all our work is done.
But...
We have no time, right?
yeah. We don't have any more time.
Around Lloyd's lab, there are some fixed rapid-fire weapons to prevent invasion. You must advance while steering clear of them. The area is strictly guarded.
If anything, it's totally the old man's preference.
Though it looks like an ordinary plane, there are plenty of armaments buried in the ground to fight off any invasion. We have only one route to get there. Listen to my instructions carefully and do exactly as I tell you.
And if I drop on the way?
You'll get a better tan than you can in an Elysium resort.
Cool.
Stop right here. At first, go straight. If you stray off the safe route, I'll point out the right direction. When you want to change direction, stop and turn there.
You mean I only changed direction without moving?
To change your direction, simply use the right stick.
If I say stop, be sure to stop moving. Then wait for the next instruction.
I see.
Then let's go. Move forward in a straight line. Good.
Now-
Move forward.
Now this part is not exactly all that great, but it's not as bad as protecting Ken. But still, let's see, jam. But still, I'm gonna save all the frustration for the next, the episode. I mean, you've heard the story. You know why Dingo has a torch against Noman. But that's only half of the story, though. I mean, Viola is painted as a tragic heroine in this story, but in the first game, in Leo's story, Viola is a total and absolute douche. Especially, I think it's because she has lots and lots of pride, and she was getting beaten repeatedly by this 10-year-old kid, and that has to be humiliating. An elite force soldier from Mars got beaten by a 10-year-old kid. That was Leo, by the way. But still, she's a jerk because she massacred Leo's friends and family. So it's nice to get the second half of the story, but that doesn't change my opinion on Viola and how much of a douche she really is. But still, that's half of the story. Now you know the whole thing. I got two. Yeah, ooh, I got tons of them actually. I got tons of sub-weapons, but no, that's not gonna be useful now, especially because the vector cannon is not gonna be used until story events. So anyway, I'm excited that I got this far, and kind of there's a little bit of failure back then, but still, all is a generally good ride. But we have to stop the ride right here though, because I'm out of time, and we're going to continue in the next episode. If you like that, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, leave comments in the comment section, tell me what kind of game I should play in the future, what kind of improvements I should do upon the channel. I have new videos coming out on Friday, so don't forget to hit that bell to stay updated. Now, I hope you enjoyed that. I kinda not, but kinda do, because it's still, at the end of the day, at least I know the hardest part is done. Now, get off my planet. Bye guys! Bye. I mean, I guess it's great that you get all of the annoying parts lined up all in a row, so you don't have to deal with them in later on. But it's still super annoying. It's still super annoying. You cannot deny that was super annoying. And the game would have done so much better without it. That's just my opinion. I still love it though. Still love it.